everybody, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl Feti's Jenny, and we are taking the journey of 1,000 miles. Thank you so much for coming. If you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for coming back. And if you're new here, please click on the red subscribe button below and subscribe to this channel. Today's video is going to be an amazing video. It's actually a recipe video, and I'm going to be showing you how I cook my fried rice. So I'm going to go right into the video now. But before that, first things first. I have my little sister here. She's going to be assisting me in the cooking. She's going to be assisting me in preparing the ingredients, so the video is going to run smoothly and fast. So first of all, we are going to cover our heads. Cover our heads. What? See? This is to avoid hair getting into the food. So after covering our hairs, next we are going to wash our hands, and then we get right into preparing the ingredients. Here, hands are clean. Yeah, so we've washed our hands. They are all shiny. So guys, what we do is we boil water, and then we put in curry powder to give it that yellow color. After adding salt, we let it boil for a few minutes, for approximately 15 minutes, till we have something like this, and then we let it dry off. Then we spread it on a flat surface so it can really dry off. So guys, our ingredients are ready for our fried rice. Here we have fried chicken. Here we have our green beans. We have meat. We have shallot here. We have chicken stock. We have green spices here. Green pepper, onion. We have sweet corn, and we have peas here. Then we have carrots. And lastly, we have garlic and white pepper ground. So these are the ingredients we are going to be using for our fried rice recipe. So what we do is we just pour in all the ingredients into the oil and we mix it up. You can put it in any order because we are not going to let it cook for long. after putting in all your ingredients, you don't want it to be overcooked because vegetables are not supposed to be overcooked. So you let it sit for a while and then you pour in your rice and so guys, you get mixing. Rice. You mix it till it gets to the consistency you want. Most people don't like too many vegetables in their rice, and if you don't like too many vegetables, then you put in much rice and you mix it till it reaches the desired consistency. So here we go. We are letting the rice cook for a while. Note that you just add a little water if you have to, but if not, you don't put water at all, because that's why it's called fried rice. So guys, here is the final result of our fried rice. I hope it's looking appetizing. Thank you so much for watching this video to the end. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe to this channel and make sure you come back here next time to watch other videos. Love you. Bye bye.